Welcome back, Python enthusiasts. In today's tutorial, we're diving deep into the world of functions in Python. Functions are a fundamental building block of any Python program, allowing you to organize your code, improve readability, and reuse chunks of logic efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your Python skills, this tutorial is designed to demystify the creation and usage of functions in Python in a very short time. So watch till the end and don't miss. Understanding functions. So what is a function? In short words, a function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. In Python, we use def syntax to declare a function, as you can see with the example function greet. Calling a function is as simple as that. We just type the function name, and we pass the parameters in the brackets. Parameters and arguments. So what is a parameter? And what is an argument? Parameters are placeholders in the function definition. In the example, name is a parameter which is just a placeholder for a value and does not have any specific value. Arguments are the actual values passed to the function when calling it. So in the example, the string Alice that we pass to our function greet is an argument. Return statement. Functions can return a value using the return statement. As you can see in the example, the function square returns the square of the x parameter. The returned value can be stored in a variable or used directly. In the example, we assign the returned value to the variable result. Default parameters. We can also set default values for parameters to make them optional, which removes the need of necessary passing certain argument when calling the function. This is useful for providing flexibility in function calls. In the example, function power, the default power root is 2. Please see the example and the outputs in the console. In the first example, we use the function with default exponent, square root, and in the second example, we set the exponent to number 4. So in BASIC, we get the number tree raised to the power of 4. Variable scope. Understand the scope of variables within and outside functions. This is important to understand, so you don't declare a variable within a function and curse Python. Why the hell you cannot use that variable? In the example, we simply see that local var can be accessed only in the scope of the example function code block, and the global var can be accessed in the example function as well, but also outside its scope, because it is declared in the outside scope. So maybe you already get it, but just for summary, variable global var is with global scope, and variable local var is with local scope nevertheless, if they are called differently. Lambda functions. Lambda functions are quick, anonymous functions using the lambda keyword. They are useful for short operations. In the example, you can see a simple lambda function which accepts 2 parameters and multiplies them. If you have to do short operations, then you can shorten the code to be more simpler and to be one-liner. This is Python, don't forget. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of creating and using functions in Python. Remember, functions are essential for writing clean, modular, and efficient code. Keep practicing and exploring more advanced concepts, and soon you'll be coding like a Python pro. You can always extract a certain code block to a function if you see you have it duplicated multiple times in your program, or even if you don't have it duplicated, try to extract it to a good named function, and you will instantly see that readability of your program will increase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy coding!